Hey everyone, this is Stuart VE9CF, Charlie Foxtrot. Welcome back to the channel. It's day 2 of our QTH renovations. Let's go have a look and see what they've done today. All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Again, I'm Stuart VE9CF, Charlie Foxtrot, and we're into day 2 of our renovations here at the new shack here in St. Antoine. The guy was in this morning bright and early at 7 o'clock this morning, mudding and taping here, and they did a pretty good job. You can see he put some new mud and get ready to come back and do another coat or sand. He just finished about a few hours ago, so some of it's still pretty wet. So we're gonna let it sit and set for a couple days here. And I think he's back on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. So yeah, Sunday morning, 7 o'clock, he was here bright and early. CTK Renovations from Shadiac, New Brunswick. Good organization if you're in the area and want a guy to do some renovation in your shack. Yeah, day 2, renovations, mudding and taping today. And we're progressing very nicely. I'm Stuart VE9CF, Charlie Foxtrot. Here's a quick update from the new VE9 Charlie Foxtrot shack in St. Antoine, New Brunswick. 7-3, everyone.